Experience driving perfection in the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.